Hello guys, welcome back to Tupike African YouTube channel where nothing tastes better than home food. Also, always remember to wash your okras 2 times with salty water, and also ensure that you also wash your chopping board and your knife so that you can also handle the okra with clean things. And then the next thing is that you're going to be having some red bell peppers, and guys, for this recipe I just use half of that, and then 2 tomatoes. And guys, I've already listed below the ingredients and the measurements on the description box below. Kindly check that out. And then here we also have a red onion. I use the whole of it, and then 3 cloves of garlic, and I always ensure that I just grate the garlic cloves. So the first step is first heat up your oil, and then you add in your red onions. Ensure that they have caramelized, and then we also add in our red bell peppers. You let them cook, and then you add in your garlic and also tomatoes at that juncture. For this step, you're now going to ensure that you stir so that you can also allow the tomatoes to cook and form such a paste. I'm sure you can already see that we have a nice taste and also paste, and also the tomatoes have given us a good color. And then you add in your okras at this point. Guys, okras, they are very rich in magnesium, folate, fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, K1, and also vitamin A. And it also supports a healthy pregnancy. And also people who have heart problems, you can take the okras. By the way, even if you have a heartbreak, you can also ensure that you take okras, but that's just a joke. And then if you have maybe problems like blood sugars, and they are also believed to have anti-cancer properties. So the more you cook is the more the sliminess is going to reduce. So I cooked mine for 5 minutes and there was no slime, as you can see. So here I was just trying to show you, there was no slime. Even when you touch it with that spoon, there was no slime, I assure you. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you.